It has discovered 10 such suspected floating planets. The planets each have a mass approximately equivalent to that of Jupiter. The discoveries were made over 18 months, starting in April of 2006, using a special telescope at an observatory in New Zealand. The researchers say the discovered celestial bodies must be floating planets because, unlike fixed stars, they do not emit light. They say they found no fixed stars near these planets.
The discoveries are a step toward learning how planets were created and how they develop.
Some scientists expect that a NASA surveyor to be launched in 2020 will be able to capture images of these floating planets.
Imagine a planet floating freely through the universe, not orbiting any star. Well, astronomers think they may have found one, and it's only 100 light years from Earth. That makes it easier for researchers to test new techniques for examining the environments of alien worlds. It's possible this could be a small failed star, a so-called brown dwarf. Or it could be a true planet that formed around a star but was kicked out in a slam dance of gravitational dynamics. Whatever it is, there could be many more of them. Several new studies point to a model of the universe in which rogue planets outnumber main sequence stars by more than 2 to 1.
Hello everyone, you're watching Radio RWJ, and today I have some news for you about the rogue planet, Planet X. And this has sort of been confirmed by NASA. First they said there's no such planet like that, but now they've observed a planet like Nibiru. They say it's unlikely to destroy Earth, but they're giving us little clues. Now, I'm not sure if this planet is or may not, attack Earth or be, anything bad for Earth. I'm not sure about that, but NASA's confirmed that it exists. First they said there's no such object in our solar system, but now they're starting to give us an idea that it may be there. And this may cause a disruption in Earth, and no one's really sure right now what's going on. There's the Mayan conspiracy, there's the zombies attack that's going on, and level of earthquakes this year have been phenomenal. If you want to read over, I'll read it for you. The ancient Mayan calendar comes to an end on December 21st this year. Mayans, yes, intelligent people, but I don't think that's the main reason why the world will end, just because their calendar ends. But 2012 has been a really, really crazy year. We've seen earthquakes magnitude 9.0, maybe above. And if you have the earthquake app, you can get that for Windows and even iOS. You can see the amount of 6 and 5.6 earthquakes on the Richter scale that are happening these days. It's every single day you have one or another 6 or 5.6 earthquake, and the amount of stuff that's happened. And there's an asteroid DA14 that's gonna come really close to our that's gonna come really close to Earth, and the scientists are saying it's not gonna impact, but no one knows yet what's gonna happen. I guess we just have to wait December 21st, 2012, because right now, not much. Lots has happened. You can't say nothing has happened this year. This is a really big global change. You can't say what is happening this year is a normal change. This is a global catastrophe. I don't want to sound like one of those really weird people saying, oh, the world's gonna end and stuff like that, but well, the facts are there, so I'm just giving it to the people, showing them what's happening in today's world. So yeah, so this has been a little video about telling you about that NASA has confirmed planet like Nibiru or Planet X, whichever you may. First they said it didn't exist, now they're saying it exists, but they're saying it will not harm planet Earth. But let's just see what happens. I know it seems like a really weird thing, just sit and die, but not do anything. I'm not going to tell anyone to prepare. If you want to prepare, you could. I'm not stopping you from preparing. I'm not telling you to prepare. it's a really confusing situation right now, so I'll leave you to decide. Thank you for watching. This has been RWJ26, and keep it tuned in to watch more videos soon.
I know it's been a very long time, and I apologize for that, but I was moving and that sort of thing, so it takes a long time. Anyway, I was driving down the street and looked up and saw this and was like, oh my gosh. And so I grabbed my camera, and I have never seen the sky like that before. Very spectacular. Got some magenta and colors that I don't ever recall seeing. Purple. Crazy. We're at Misty Fords on July 19th at 2:34 in the afternoon. Now, this may be the same object I'm going to show you here. Right here. Backwards. And I've gone ahead and enhanced it a little bit. And here's the object up close. Pretty interesting. Now this clip is from July 12th, and I thought it was pretty interesting. As the chemtrails come in, what are they going to try and hide? Wow, there it is. There's the object. Yep, behind the clouds, or behind the chemtrails, there it is. No doubt about it. And here we are at Talk, looking to the southwest. It is 6:28 in the afternoon. There is our object. It's rotating, has craters. It's behind the clouds. Undeniable. This is Good News Bay. This is from May, but the picture is so dramatic, I absolutely want to show you. Look at that. Unreal. But very real. And this is Eek looking to the southwest, and we're in Alaska. For those of you that don't know, that's usually where I get my pictures. And we've got this object right here. obviously this one right here. Interesting, we see another large object behind it. It's possible that that could be part of the lensing system or something. That does not look like a lensing apparatus. That looks like a planet-type object in the sky. You be the judge. Okay, last one for today. But here someone took a photograph of the sun, and if we zoom in on it, we can see that there is probably a white dwarf right there. So